Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Lover channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome on your iPhone. Now the first thing you have to do is open the App Store. From here, tap on the search icon. Now in here, search for Chrome and then tap on Chrome, and here you can see Google Chrome. Now if you have previously downloaded it, you will see an icon like this, an iCloud icon, and if you have never downloaded it before, you'll see the get option. Now whatever you see, just tap on that icon, and as you can see, the downloading process just started, so just give it a moment. And once you are done, you can see the open option from here, or if you go to your home, you can see that Google Chrome is in here. Now you can start browsing using your Google Chrome, and that is how you can download or install Google Chrome in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.